guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, as you can tell, we are doing Gemini. This is the time for Gemini. So I'm going to talk a little bit about them, and then we'll get straight onto the makeup look and everything like that. So Gemini, the element is air, the color is light green yellow, the day is Wednesday, the ruler is Mercury, their greatest overall compatibility is Sagittarius and Aquarius. Lucky numbers are 5, 7, 14, 23, and the date ranges from the 21st of May until the 20th of June. Their strengths are gentle, affectionate, curious, adaptable, ability to learn quickly and exchange ideas. Their weaknesses are nervous, inconsistent, and indecisive. Geminis like music, books, magazine, chat with nearly everyone, short trips around the town. Geminis dislikes being alone, being confined, repetition, and routines. Expressive and quick-witted, Gemini represents two different personalities in one, and you will never be sure which you will be facing. They are sociable, communicative, and ready for fun, with a tendency to suddenly get serious, thoughtful, and restless. They are fascinated with the world itself, extremely curious, with a consistent feeling that there is not enough time to experience everything that they want to see. The sign of Gemini belongs to the element air, accompanied by Libra and Aquarius, and this connects it all aspects of the mind. It is ruled by Mercury, the planet that represents communication, writing, and movement. People born under this sun sign often have a feeling that their other half is missing, so they are forever seeking new friends, mentors, colleagues, and people to talk to. Gemini's exchangeable and open mind makes them excellent artists, especially writers and journalists, and their skills are flexible and makes them shine in trade, driving, and team sports. This is a versatile, inquisitive, and fun-loving sign, born with a wish to experience everything there is out there in the world. This makes this character inspiring and never boring. Well, as you can see, Gemini can be two different personalities. I definitely say I've experienced that because my sister's a Gemini. Sometimes she's up for fun, other times she's very serious. So as you guys can see, I did my foundation routine as I always do. The only thing that has changed is now I'm using the Pro Filter Concealer by Fenty Beauty in the color 350, I think, and my eyebrow routine is still the same, so everything else is still the same. I am using the Benefit Hoola Toasted Bronzer, so yeah, that's pretty much anything that I've added new. So moving on to the eyes, as you can see, I'm doing two different colors to represent the two different personalities that you can get with Gemini. So on one side I'm having the green, and then on the other side I'm having the yellow, and the pigments that I'm using is from the Gypsy Shrine pigments, and they've got these neon range pigments that I use, which also has an effect, as you've probably seen from the beginning of this video, that it glows in underneath black light. So that's what I'm using for my eyeshadow and everything. So I'm just doing a cut crease, and now I'm just gonna fill in the end of the cut crease so that it blends in together with the eyeshadow, so that it's not patchy or anything like that. And also I'm intensifying the colours because what I noticed, the green started to fade a little bit, so I've added a bit more green so that it looks more intense, pretty much. But I tried to match the colours to the hair as well, because you know your girl has dyed this hair, and you know your girl's going to be bringing out a video about that as well. So make sure you subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned to see how I did that hair. But anyways, moving on. After I did the cut crease and everything like that, they also had this like white pigment. So what I did, I used for my cut crease, I put the white pigment on top so that it kind of looked, how do I explain it? It just so that it would also show up under the black light. And then I went back in with the shimmer because they got a shimmer version, so I put that on top just to add a bit of sparkling and everything like that. And then I used the pigments and this liquid mix. I can't remember who's it by, but I used the liquid mix to turn the pigments into a eyeliner. So as you can see, I'm doing my eyeliner using the pigments and everything, and I kind of just swap the colors around and everything. Next, I go in with the mascara and some cute eyelashes from the Mink Way, so make sure you check them out. And then I just brushed off all the powders that I had on my face and kind of just put the pigments under my eyes and all my waterline and everything like that. And just, pack them on, make sure they're all pigmented, like you can see them for miles pretty much. And you can see there is a bit of fallout, but hey, it's not a pressed eyeshadow, it's a pigment, like they're in a pot, so of course they're going to be fallout, but it's okay because, to be honest, once I kind of brushed them away, it didn't stay on my skin anyway, so it was good. And then I'm gonna go in with this highlighter it's called the Mega Destiny by Makeup Obsession, and oh my gosh, the highlighter is bomb. Like, it is bomb. Like, I am beaming when I put it on. But yeah, so you guys should check them out. And then I'm gonna go with this liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star in the color Crocodile Tears. So that's gonna be my main lip color, and then I'm gonna go back in with the yellow pigments, and I'm actually gonna draw the symbol on my lips for you guys, because I was thinking, where would I put the symbol on, because I don't really want to put it anywhere on my face. So I thought, I haven't done it on my lips yet, so I might as well try it. And then I'm just gonna set my face with Sports Fix and Spray by Revolution. And that is pretty much it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this look, and I hope you guys carry on following me. If you don't follow me, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that like button and hit that notification bell so you are notified every single time I post. But yeah, I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.